Slow-cooked pork and sauerkraut. A main dish from Germany. Serves 8. You will need 19 ingredients. Step 1. Combine the paprika, sea salt, pepper, sage, thyme, and dry mustard. Step 2. Rub blended spices over the pork and marinate in the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. Step 3. Heat the olive oil over medium heat in a large, heavy pot with a tight-fitting lid. Step 4. Brown the meat on all sides. Step 5. Remove the meat from the pan and pour out all but 2 tablespoons of fat. Step 6. Add the cabbage, onions, carrots, stirring occasionally, until softened. Step 7. Add garlic and cook until it's aromatic. This usually lasts for about a minute. Step 8. Add the sauerkraut, stock, beer, caraway seeds, savory, and bay leaves. Step 9. Bring it to a boil. Step 10. Return the meat to the pot and cover it. Step 11. Braise the meat in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 2 hours, or until fork tender. Check after 1 hour, and add additional stock, as necessary. Step 12. When the meat is cooked, remove the roast to a warm platter to rest. Step 13. Skim off the fat from the juices in the pan. Step 14. Slice the roast and arrange the meat, vegetables, and juices in a covered dish to keep them warm. Step 15. Serve the meat with vegetables, pan juices, and spaetzle. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.